Okay, boss man, where to?
We're gonna pay the Sindacos a visit, see how Johnny is, win him over with some kind words during his convalescence.
Well, yeah, sure. I can take you by there.
Okay, great. We need a car. I gotta get out of this game. Shit, my nose is pissing like a racehorse. That is really good stuff. Drive faster, would you please? Come on. What are you, an old lady?
So you trying to get out?
Yes, God, yes! I want to do something safe and legal and boring with people that like me. And have a wife and some kids and get divorced and fight for weekend access like everybody else.
Listen, I'll see what I can do.
Thanks, I'm just so tired of all this life and death bullshit. Ah, shit's all down my damn shirt and everything. It's my best shirt, too. Doesn't this shirt look good on me?
Get away!
Okay, let's get this over with. I'm the boss. I am the boss. I'm the boss. I am the boss. Yeah.
Come on, punch!
What's going on? Did you forget something?
No, look, you go on in, I'ma wait.
Look, you gotta come with me this once. If I pull this off, I can carry on. I know I can, but please, you gotta come with me. I'm gonna squirt my ass all over the floor. Just this once, please. Please.
Okay, chill. Shit, this can't look good. Listen, everything gonna be okay. Just remember, you the boss.
I'm the boss? I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I am the boss. Hey, boys. Tell your boss that Ken Rosenberg is here to see him.
Ken who?
Ken Rosenberg. Ken Rosenberg, the guy that runs this town. So, how's Johnny?
He's doing much better.
Huh.
Yeah. He ate something this morning.
Oh.
Hey, Ken. Oh, my Christ, this fucking thing. Ken, como esta? How you doing?
Pretty good. And you?
I still got a little bit of the night terrors, touch of diarrhea, but I'll get through it.
Huh, diarrhea. Cool.
And
yeah.
who's this?
How you doing, Johnny?
It's fucking him. It's him. Oh my head. Oh, God. It's him. Oh, my heart. My heart.
Damn, that nigga fucked up. Shit! They started a fire to keep us back. There must be an extinguisher here somewhere. Find it.
Carl, leave no witnesses or we're dead meat.
Give me that. Oh!
Got the extinguisher. I got the
now,
extinguisher. Take those guys out and I'll put out the flames. I'm gonna start up the meat trap.
Oh! What you gonna do now, huh?
Stand back. I'm gonna blast these flames.
Well, what are you waiting for?
Screw this. I'm gonna hide in the freezer.
Gun in your face, huh? Ooh. Got the fuck out of here.
Fucking asshole. Come on, get.
I saw you.
I say? What did I do?
Nothing. My bad. Now take cover.
Oh, fuck. What is it about my luck?
You laughing now?
I'm screwed.
Okay, it's clear. You don't need this no more.
Well done, CJ. Shit, this is insane! I'm never doing drugs again. Never, ever.
Fake. Shoes now, bitch. You won't be needing this now.
The exit's through the stockhouse. Shit, we gotta get the fuck out of here. We need some wheels. Get me back to Caligula's.
You calm down and follow my lead.
Holy fuck, man. We work well as a team together, huh, CJ? You and me tearing this town up? Nobody can stop us. Nobody in the world.
Johnny's a done deal, and so is his gang.
Too fucking right they are, dumb
You
pussies.
hit!
Oh, fuck, I'm screwed. I'm fucking screwed. What the fuck am I gonna do? Shit!
You just gotta hang in there. Play it dumb. I'll figure out a way to get you out of this.
Just drop me at the airport.
Nah, man. They gotta think you dead. I'll think of something, I promise.
That's all right.
Oh, great. This is great.
Get in there and be cool, like you just been out for a relaxing drive or something.
Calm. Yeah, calm. I'm calm. Real fucking calm. I'm calm, Mr. Calm, Mr. Calm. That's me, Mr. Calm.
I love that grin.
Oh, look here, gun.
What's up, sweetie? Notice this new shade of nail polish I'm wearing? Tell me about it.
I warn you, I'm
Later,
delicate.
honey.
Oh,
You
What's a
picked
good
the
place for a
wrong
pedicure in Los
secretary.
Angeles?
Go smoke some Chiba.
pleasure doing business with you.
Close to the edge, man.
Oh, sweet Lord!
Knocking you out and smoking your money.
Your haircut is just fine.
You mad dogging me, man. Ah!
Did you know what I knew do?
He told me I should have had a search warrant.
These fools ain't playing out.